It's your girl Jamila T. Davis, and it's going down. So I'm empowered, you guys. I'm at an amazing conference with two amazing people. I got Patronn here from Brooklyn Mitsubishi.
Yes, and present himself.
Yes, and I got
Absolutely.
Jermain Miller here. It's all about self-development and being an empowered. I really got inspired today by this man's testimony. Could you just talk to my followers and tell them a little bit about what you're doing and how you're giving it up out there?
We're doing everything, guys. So basically, social media just blew up, right? And it's all about content. It's all about building a brand within a brand. So people want to buy from people, whether it's relationship, houses, cars, it doesn't matter. It's just putting that energy out there, positive. We're all about positivity right now.
That's right.
And, you know, we got a team of people that brought the Kool-Aid, right? They're on board with it. We got 10 of them in here, and they're all excited, and they're like, they see the
He
success.
brought his whole crew. That's right,
Absolutely,
y'all.
absolutely.
So tell them what you are. You're the #1 dealership. Where now? Like, how does
we're
that work?
the #1 Brooklyn Mitsubishi dealership selling 400 cars a month out of a
400
Mitsubishi.
out of a Mitsubishi dealership, and
That's
it
right.
all started with a dream, and it just shows you the power of social
Absolutely.
media. Then I got my boy Jermain Miller here. Tell him
right.
what you do. This is the #1 coach, motivator, conference leader, orchestrator. He's a lot of
Yes,
things.
yes,
right
yes.
now.
I
How
love
you
it.
doing, everyone? I'm Jermain Miller. I'm the CEO of Jermain Miller Consulting. We coach, we do personal training, professional development, as well as corporate training to companies. We impact and empower, inspire people to what? Live their dreams and change their life.
And that's what this is all about. We're living our dreams out here. We out here doing big things. It's your girl, Jamila T. Davis. Stay tuned, y'all. And y'all know what it is. It's going down.
Down.
Let's get it.
All right, peace out.